Hello everyone! Today we are going to do the elephant marshmallow experiment. So the things that we need are the following. We need food coloring. Our catalyst for this experiment is the active dry yeast, 1 pack of it. And then we have here empty bottles. In this experiment, we will be experimenting 2 different sizes. And we have hydrogen peroxide, dishwashing soap, scissor, measuring cup, funnel, and then hot water. Okay, so before we start this experiment, let's talk about safety first. First, I would suggest that we will do this experiment outside. So let's say in the sidewalk or anything that you can easily clear the area. And then second safety tips is that hydrogen peroxide is a very concentrated solution. So this experiment is good for the eyes only. So do not touch because we have hot water mixed with hydrogen peroxide. So which means that the result of this will be very, very hot. So that's why I said it's better to use it outside. It's better to do the experiment outside and do not touch. One more thing is that you need to have gloves and of course safety goggles, just to add more into our safety measures when we do this experiment. Okay, so now let's go outside so that we can begin and start with our experiment. Hello guys, so we are here outside the building, and then the first thing we need to do is to dissolve our active dry yeast into our warm water. Okay, so make sure that it is warm, that way we can really dissolve it and it will really work on into our experiment. Okay, so this is what we have here. After we dissolve it, we need to square it. Let's see. So more. Just keep on stirring it so that it will be dissolved, okay? So it's a little bit windy. Right here. Now the next step, after dissolving the 1 packet of active dry yeast into 1 cup of warm water, is to put a few squirts of dishwashing soap inside the bottle. So we're gonna do like this. Okay. I guess this is enough. Alright. Then afterwards, oopsie daisy, see, it's windy. And then afterwards, we will put our funnel here and our 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so we will put our 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottle, and then after that, remove this first. I'm gonna hold it. I'm scared that the wind will blow it away. And then a few drops of the food coloring. Okay. Few drops of food coloring. So in this we have green, blue, red, and yellow for our last color. Okay, and then last thing is to put our active dry yeast into the bottle and see what will happen. Okay, here we go. Here you go, guys. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so watch that the foam is keep on going, right? keep on going. Okay, so on this first one, we can see that here, our food coloring, we didn't put enough of the food coloring, so the colors is very light into the foam. So as I showed you earlier, we have 2 bottles. So on the next one, we will try it again using the big bottle, but more of the food coloring. Okay, so we'll come back on the next one. Thank you. Guys, hi, so we're back here inside the enhanced room. We already made one experiment outside. Unfortunately, it is so windy, but we're happy that it works. Okay, so as I said earlier, we will do it in 2 different bottle sizes. That way we can compare what goes well with the other one and what goes wrong with the other one, so we don't know if this one will work. So that's why we're making this experiment, right? That's the fun side of this experiment. Okay, so now we're going to dissolve the active dry yeast here in our warm water. Okay, just keep on stirring it until everything is dissolved. Okay. Okay, that one, and then yeah, I think that's dissolved enough. And then using this funnel, 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide inside the bottle. By the way, we already put a few squirts of dishwashing soap inside this one here, this bottle, okay? And then on our first small bottle, we realized that we didn't put much of the food coloring. So in this case, we're gonna squirt a little bit more of what we put on the first one, right? Okay, so that's the yellow. We're gonna do here on green. Okay. Okay, and then maybe a red. Let's do red. Okay, so that's enough. And then we're gonna put it on the side. And then we'll put our funnel again. And let's put our active dry yeast. Okay, so before I'm putting this one, I want to say it again. Safety first, so that's why I'm wearing gloves and I'm wearing goggles. That way, if ever something goes out from there or squirts a lot, so it will not go make a direct contact in my skin or in my eyes. Okay, so safety first. So here we go. Okay, and we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait what it does. And here you go. Wow. There you go, guys. Okay. There. So that's our marshmallow, elephant marshmallow experiment. So yeah, we have fun in doing it here at program. So I hope you will also try it at home. Remember, safety first. Okay? Enjoy and have a good day.